Let me get my stick 5000. What the? So tiny. What is this? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video. In today's video we're gonna be changing exhaust tips in an E46 M3. The current one on are like 2.5 inches and the one that I got are like 3 inches. Let me show you these bad boys. It's gonna be a quiet difference. I got this off on eBay. I think it's called JGM 15181 exhaust tips. I'm not sure, but they are 3 inches and they are $79 including shipping, and I believe it's gonna be a quiet difference, especially with the E46s. If you look at it from back, it just looks too skinny. So hopefully with a half an inch bigger, it's gonna change the look of it. So I know there are like 3 rivets on exhaust tips. I know the 2 ones on the bottom are easy to get, but I'm just concerned about the one on the top. Anyways, I already got the car jacked up, and let's see what we're gonna do in order to get them exchanged. All right, there's a few ways to get to the exhaust tips. I could take off the diffuser, but it's kind of hard. There's screws like from the top, and I don't want to squeeze my hands through the tight places. And I also could take off the rear bumper, but the way I'm gonna go is I'm just gonna drop the whole exhaust, because my exhaust hanger on this side is kind of saggy, so it kind of makes sense to get the one from that side, because that side's got 2, probably better than the one on the right. So I'll just switch those around and should kind of even it out. So there is a couple of screws. Exhaust has 4 screws right here, and there are 2 hangers on this side and 1 hanger on that side, and should pop out. I loosened the exhaust right there, and if you ever taken off a BMW exhaust, you know that left side pipe kind of has to pull out in order to take off the muffler. And I loosened the 2 hangers in here, and I completely removed this bad boy off. And the muffler actually is being more difficult than I thought of getting it off. So but dropping this one side and keeping it inside the exhaust pipe, it will give me access to get to these top rivets. And I'm just gonna, instead of switching the exhaust hanger from that side and putting it over here, I'm just gonna order this brand new and just be done with it. Alright, so now I'm just gonna pre-drill all the top rivets and then go back down on the bottom. Alright, the top 2 are done, and I'm just gonna do the rest of them. Alright, everything has been pre-drilled. If anybody's interested in what size bit I used, it's 11/64. So all the 6 on this side and 6 rivets on that side are pre-drilled. So let's just see what happens if we pull them off. Oh, come on. Yeah, let's try this one. Oh, this one came out no problem. This one came out no problem. This one came out no problem. And this bad boy came out no problem. Just like that. All 4 exhaust tips are off. Now let's compare them to the old ones, and we'll put the exhaust back on and put the new tips on. It just looks so funny in the back with this tiny exhaust. Alright, if you don't want any rattle, make sure you take everything out of here, because that's where the rivets kind of throw in the one inside. Just like that. Get this bad boy out here. This feels so wrong. Just kidding. Alright, everything is out. Alright, here's a comparison. These are the OEM. You can see the difference. Let's see how it looks on the car. It's gonna look good, but what I'm thinking is I might have to trim this pipe inside, because it kind of looks weird. Maybe I need to cut it like right here. Alright, the tips have been cut, or whatever you want to call them, exhausts, because it just kind of looked weird sticking out like this. So hopefully with the new tips, it's going to kind of more blend in. Muffler is back on, and let me show you my exhaust actually, because I do not have any resonators. All my resonators have been taken out and replaced with a straight pipe. So when you drive, kind of like when you cruise, it's nice and quiet, but once you floor on it, you got a good amount of rasp. And the way this thing looks, it doesn't look actually bad. Maybe I'm onto something. Get a quad exhaust with the duals inside. Alright, so next thing, I'm just gonna put them on, kind of align them, and then we'll compare before and after.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Man, what a difference. I do have a kind of like a jack over here because my exhaust hanger is like totally shot, so it's kind of like sagging on the right side, but right now it's just gonna have it like right there so we can compare. But damn, that looks so good. I'll show you some photos right now, before and after. that's a complete game changer. Came out so good. It just changes the whole rear end of this car because those OEM exhaust tips are so small. This is a way to go for 79 bucks. And like always say, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button because there are many more things to come on this car and so on this channel as well. And I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, peace.